Welcome to Tips and Tricks Tuesdays, where I demonstrate tips for practicing. Today I'm going to focus on a concept that I call 3-to-1 ratio of buzzing. It's something that I try to instill in all my students, and it's something that works really well with the curriculum I've created and the resources on my website, wvhornacademy.com. It's a really simple process. It works best when you have something that you can buzz the bullseye, which is why I make buzzing tracks. So I'm going to take a passage from Strauss's First Horn Concerto. It's just this little 4-measure chunk, and I'm going to demonstrate what I call 3-to-1 buzzing to playing ratio. So simply put, should be up on the screen now, and I'm going to buzz this passage 3 times, then I'm going to play it, and then I'm going to talk a little bit more about why I think it's effective. So here we go. Using my track, I'm backing up. Here we go again. And again, I'm just striving to buzz bullseyes every time, get in the center, lots of air, lots of fast focus air. Here we go, 3rd time. Now I go to my horn. Alright, so the idea is very simple. I'm a big believer that good practicing involves a good feedback loop system. There's a phrase out there, you do not rise to an occasion, you fall to the level of your system. So practicing is a series of choices of what system you're going to use every time you practice. So if you have this little tool in your toolkit, which is passages, hey, I'll buzz it 3 times, play it once, now you've got a built-in system for growth, a built-in system to get better quicker. The better you practice, the faster you learn. So in its simplest form, that is what my 3-to-1 ratio buzzing exercise looks like. And for my system, my curriculum, you could apply this anywhere. Now, obviously, you could do this for any piece of music that's ever put in front of you. Obviously, though, that means you have to have a really good trained ear to be able to buzz the bullseye. So if you're a student or a semi-professional or an amateur and you can hear everything you play really well, I would highly suggest buzzing something 3 times and playing it and get in the habit of doing that. It's also going to build in extra quality reps into your practice, which means you can practice better. Thank you for joining me on Tips and Tricks Tuesdays. See you in the next video.